It has been a very long time. We need some more games. Time for the naughty stick for the Capcom Home Arcade. Hey, welcome back to the channel. It's just awesome that you're tuning in. So in today's video I want to dedicate this to the Capcom Home Arcade. I have this device in my possession for quite some time now and I'm very pleased with it. I love the quality, I love it's in Capcom stick, and I personally really love the design. Because I'm just a Capcom fan, just going to be honest. A lot of great games, Capcom, oh yeah. But there is a problem, and I think a lot of you have this with the stick. It's very expensive. A lot of people were requesting, we need more games, we need more games. And I think this, let's put it this way, I think there is a possibility this is going to be happening in the near future. So let's talk about the method. There is a guy here in the Wickedfamily who posted a comment saying there is a Reddit forum, I will leave a link in the description, where they are talking about swapping games. So they are, let's say, having the options now to get into the system and swapping games. And I think it's just a matter of time that we're going to get the option for adding new games. There's all a little bit of development, and I just want to let you know in this video there was a lot of stuff going on with the Capcom Home Arcade. Besides, for example, the Neo Geo Pro, there was a lot of stuff going on with that system. It was very easily cracked, and you can even make it more like in Pandora. So what you can see in this video that he made, that it's still a work in progress. All the functions are here, so insert the credit, you start the game, you can choose, everything works like it should be. But the problem remains in the sound, and if you listen closely, you can hear it. It's not on full speed. And nowadays we can finally hope there is an update coming, besides official update of course. I don't know if Capcom is going to release an update, for example with a USB stick or something like that. I think that will never happen. So in the future I hope they will improve the system and give us the option to add our own games, or maybe give us the possibility to upgrade it with maybe a completely new different system. But there is something else that I wanted to show you in this video that is quite interesting. But there is something else that I want to mention in this video. When I was looking on the Reddit page, I did notice that there was a new development with the Capcom Home Arcade. That is what they call the IMTech Capcom Home Arcade Bluetooth PCB controller modification. There is a guy, I will leave a link in the description, who made an unboxing video of this PCB. And basically what it does is converting your Capcom Home Arcade to a wireless 2-player arcade stick. I think that is pretty damn awesome, simply because if you're not into, let's say, plug and play arcade, this can be a very interesting product if you're having a Nintendo Switch of a next generation game console. The Capcom Home Arcade comes with a lot of great stuff. If it comes to the joystick, the buttons, it's a high quality product. If you're searching for a great way to play your arcade games or your Capcom games through your Nintendo or PlayStation or Xbox system. So what I understand of, you need to check his unboxing, but what you're going to get is basically a PCB board that you can easily swap out. You need to open up your Capcom Home Arcade and then pull out all the plugs, replace the main board with a couple of screws, and you are ready to go. If you want, I can do a review about it. I can make let's say an upgrade video if you're interested in it. I need to pick it up. It's for sale on Amazon, that I did notice. I so far know there is no other way to get it. Maybe in the future it will pop up in AliExpress. Who knows? You'll never know. But it's quite interesting that besides the adding games and swapping games, there are quite a lot of development with the Capcom Home Arcade. I was afraid this system was going to be, let's say, more like forgotten and going to be a very expensive and obscure system. But no, my Wicked family, there is a lot of stuff going on. So the Reddit page, I would say, check it out. There's a lot of interesting stuff, and happy that the community still loves the Capcom Home Arcade and making new stuff for it. Okay, so that concludes this video, and I just wanted to make a quick update regarding the Capcom Home Arcade. To show there are quite some developments with, let's say, replacement PCB boards and swapping games, and maybe in the future we can add games. It's just a matter of time if we find the right people with the right knowledge to can crack this thing open, and at the end can basically give this the ultimate Capcom Home Arcade experience with all the games that we're just basically missing out. Or maybe we're going to get the True Blue Mini and being naughty and making this plug and play USB device. We shall see in the future. I hope something is happening. Nevertheless, let me know what you think of this and what kind of games are you missing on the Capcom Home Arcade. Let's talk about it, and maybe we'll do an update video about it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the little bell, and we'll see you in the next video.